At National Auto Style Vehicle in Hans. We're here for them. There.
Rim shopping.
I'm a rim. To look for a rim.
Let's go.
Oh, this guy. Yeah.
Let's go.
First one.
I think that's one.
That one there.
Yeah.
That's number one.
Yeah, so far.
Which is number two?
Maybe that.
Not maybe. That's number two. Comment down below. We have 1 and 2 so far. Nothing else. I think they have Amanya at the back. No, looking for rims. So let's look for another one. No, not that one. These are the other ones that Abba they have. I think they have more that side. So let's go that side. Outside. Yeah.
Let's go around.
Let's go around because I think you have to enter
This side.
if you want to see the other rims.
Other big one.
Yeah, so let's have a look because today's video is just about rims.
Rims only.
We already saw 1 and 2.
Yeah.
So let us know which one.
Yeah.
What's your choice? Is your choice number 1 or number 2
Yeah.
so far?
Yeah.
But they have a lot of rims.
They all belong. We're still gonna go to other places.
Other places as well.
Respect.
Look for them.
Never
because,
know,
yeah,
maybe Durban.
National Auto Style is there. Put some respect.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go there. Look for them. These are the other ones. We've already saw that one. That was number 1.
This one is nice.
Which one? That one, it's common. What you think, guys? Comment down below. That one is common.
But the plate.
Or the lip.
The lip,
Yeah, I
It's
like the lip
different,
as well.
yeah.
The lip is Ayoba.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, number 3.
I don't think
We saw 1 and 2 only.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move over.
Yeah.
We are here where? A Spirit. These are 15 inch. Aswafuna ma 15 inch. We want 17. 17 is on the other side, eh? Yeah, so 17. If you want us to put 15, it's not gonna be stands. Yeah. So these are all 17 inches. That's here. This will be number 3. That's my number 3. Eh?
Yeah, it's nice.
What's so? Yeah, omncane kanje. Okay, guys, number 3. There's a whole lot here.
What about that gold?
You were saying gold
on
to gold.
Yeah,
Gold on gold. That one there. What you think? Gold on gold, number 4. Yeah. Which other one?
I think. For now.
For now.
Yeah.
Okay. What about that one there, right at the top?
Yeah.
That one there. Make it number 4.
Yeah, we can make it.
Number 5, I
Still
mean.
gonna pick 5.
Yeah, that's number 5, guys. There, right there at the top. That will be number 5. Okay. This one. No. No, 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 no. No, Ntwana. No. No. Yeah,
Ask for 5.
let's go inside. We will find another one.
I have an idea.
No. We have 4. That should be number 5 for me.
It's 6 now.
6.
I think
Number
it's 6, yeah.
Okay, that's number 6. Yeah. Comment down below what you think.
Yeah.
These are the other rims that are here. I heard somebody commented that we must put and make it like.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I also don't think
so.
we create a
I
stance.
think there's many of these.
There's many we really like, and the color it's so beautiful.
Yeah, the
We
color
really
is
like the
different.
color.
Yeah.
Yeah, we truly like it. So yeah, move on.
We are experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, go to come check their rims.
Yeah.
They have a variety.
True.
Yeah. Right. Another Candyland.
Candyland.
Yeah.
There. Let's go inside and see them properly. Yeah. That thing we saw that side. Yeah. We said it's number.
We put the number. I even forgot.
Yeah, but it's Alpine. We saw it there. These are the other rims that they have. I like that one, the Scorpion for the BM.
Yeah, for the PM.
The Scorpion. It's very rare now. Scorpions are no more around. Come this side. Yeah, more on this side. There is another option for me. This one is very rare. So look good, my friend. You said number 7.
Okay.
This will be number 7. Number 7, the new Lenzo, because of the lip. The lip is different, yeah. It is 400 108. Yeah, it will fit. It's 4x100. Yeah. So yeah, that's number 7 for me. Yeah. Which other one? Oh, these are all 15 inch. Yeah, these are all 15 inches. Yeah, all the way to the side. There's a 15 inch that I saw. 2-step lip. The Toyota Corolla original, but modified into a 2-step lip. Very nice, eh? Aye, very nice. Too nice. Yeah. Hey, I get is a vest. Get vest. I know. Sibonela wow 2.
From here.
Yeah, or 15.
Or 15.
Kodwa ngathi now 17.
Noma ngena kiphi noma yiphi imoto.
Golf1.
Golf1, okay. From Golf1 qala u15 lo u17.
17, yeah.
17 from here to here to here.
Yeah, we made this one an option le naleli. Yeah.
Naleli liyangena.
Oz le.
Oz.
Oz. Or this one. Oh yeah, it's a 100. Yeah, that one as well, 100. Making this number 8. Number 8, eh? So 7, 6, yeah.
But still is exactly.
Oz. Oz race. Hey. People buzz of but Oz. Hey. Yeah, but
Alpine.
hey, that one is number 1. Yeah. Oh, airline.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You Malin the airline le? 95. Lely? 9 straight. 9 and 95.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Let's move on.
Let's see.
Yeah, you pick. You have a choice, eh? I will give you the choice if I read. Yeah, I'm sure we'll find one there. Yeah. Eh? It's up to you all, guys. Now, up to you all. We gave you a choice.
A big one.
A big
Yeah.
choice. Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
nice.
Guess
Wait.
where we are today.
Centurion.
We want to spoil you, guys. We're here to look for a rim.
Yeah.
All the way from KZN to Gauteng.
So,
Centurion shopping for a rim, eh?
yeah. Special you are.
Hey,
Yeah.
hi guys, it's special.
Yeah.
Let's look for number 9 because we ended up at number 8.
I think.
Yeah, so we're just here at Auto Style. We're gonna look for number
9, 10, 11, 12.
Yep. 15-inch Lenzo. If you know, you know. Eh? If you know, you know. Should we make it number 9?
I think we didn't take the picture.
Number 9. Eh? No, we didn't.
Number 9.
Yeah, number 9.
Yeah.
But it's a 15-inch. Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. As I mentioned, if you know, you know.
Oh God.
How they have it on the 16-inch now. Bible. Yeah. What size is this one? 16 as well? Oh. Closer to 17. That's a first. Seeing it's on 17, the black. 15-inch, 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 15-inch. These are all 15-inch. You're looking for 17. Faith. Move over, son. Move over to this side.
Even this one. It's nice.
Yeah, that's nice,
Yeah.
eh? That's truly
17.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
it's
number
17.
10.
We're making this number 10, eh?
Yeah.
Number 10. Which other 17 here? No, that's a 15.
18.
19. Yo. Now I think we have reached the limit. I like this one.
Yeah,
It's just
me
that it's
too.
a 19 inch. Yeah. A 17 on this one. Comment down below.
Yeah.
Number 11.
Number 11.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, let's look for more 17 because we are here, as you can see, Candyland. We are just a sneak peek of what they have when we're going inside.
How about the seat?
Yeah, you don't like this one? She doesn't like it.
Maybe golden
3
gold.
colors. You see the gold and gold?
Yeah.
We'll be fine. Just in the middle.
Yeah.
Just in the middle.
Oh, I want
Option.
a Gucci.
Another option, a Gucci. Oh, the Gucci there.
Imagine.
There.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the complete set. I know, we'll skip the Gucci. We'll skip the Gucci. This color, or that color in the middle.
I love this one.
Love this one.
Or else, if we're gonna break it with the red, we can put this one.
But
It
the
depends
gold
how-
will complement
Maybe
it.
the calipers, the brake calipers. we'll
Comment
paint
down
it
below
red.
whether that,
Yeah.
that, or that. Which one will look better? Yeah. Okay,
Bumpers, tires.
now let's look for our springs.
Yeah.
Should we go for these normal springs? 60 mil?
I think we should start
60
with
mil or 40 mil, eh?
yeah, 60 mil with the springs. Yeah.
With the springs, and then maybe save up some money for
For the air.
the air.
Yeah.
Let's start with that. Comment down below whether 60 mil or 40 mil.
Which one is 60? This one?
You can only know when you're buying. I don't know what is this one. I think maybe this one is 40 mil. Yeah. So comment down below, springs 40 mil or 60 mil. Yeah. Or the 10-inch sub. Let's go see more subwoofer. Should we go 8-inch? Yeah, it looks really nice and compact. Should we go 8-inch or 10-inch? Where is the 10? There is a 10. Or go 10-inch. Comment down below, 1 or 2.
That one is 8.
That's 8, yeah. That's 8-inch. Or 10-inch. Oh, there is another 8. By Digital Star Sound. You like the styling?
Yeah.
This is our Digital Star.
Oh, God.
So comment down below, 2 10-inches.
That's beautiful also.
Yeah, it's nice. That's a 10-inch. 2 10-inches, or should we go? Hey, that's a nice one, eh? The JBL. It looks nice. Yeah. For the aesthetics,
That's
looks.
expensive.
Yeah.
See, compared to this one and this one.
Yeah, it's there. It's there. Here's another one, 8-inch. Comment
I
down
love this
below.
style.
Or should we go this side on the 12 inches? Should we go there? There. Or keep it here on the 10 inches? Or should we go 12-inch? We don't know. Yeah. Let us know. Yeah. And when it comes to our lights, let us know whether we do this Jeep style or this Jeep style
Yeah,
lights.
someone said we should put Jeep style.
Yeah, someone commented Jeep style lights. Comment down below whether the Jeep style or the normal look. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, they look really nice. Yeah, they truly look nice. Oh, here's another one. This side. There. Should we go that?
I love this. It's still this one. I love this one.
I love that one. Yeah, comment down below, Jeep style lights or just normal lights. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
We just found them. Should we go normal
No,
or
I
Jeep
don't
Jeep
think
lights?
so.
Eh?
I don't think
You don't
so.
think so? At the back, should we go old style or new style? Comment down below. Let us know. Yeah. Yeah, these the other ones there. On the other side. Let me just go see. Eh? Yeah, the A. Yeah, the normal one. Oh, yeah, because we bought those indicator lights. We bought those ones there.
The smoked
The
one.
smoked. Yeah, so let us know. Jeep style or normal? Yeah. Yep. When it comes to the stereos, this is the one we were talking about. The one that pop up or the fixed. This one like that or this one. This is the stereos we were talking about. The one that flips up or the one that is fixed to the car.
I think the flip one.
The flip.
Yeah.
This one. Comment down below. 2 choices. This one or that one that's fixed. Let us know. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll wait for your comment, guys. As you saw, all the way from KZN to here looking for the rim. But there is a rim that they don't have it in stock.
Yeah, we're gonna put the picture.
Yeah, we're just gonna put the picture here. We'll make it number 12.
12, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll make it number 12.
Yeah.
So comment down below. Let us know
And
which one.
don't forget to comment which place you're watching.
Yeah. There was a
Palabora.
Palabora. Ola Palabora.
Appington
as well.
Yes,
Yeah, we'd like to see where you're watching, guys.
Because you see, we are in Johannesburg.
Hey, we're enjoying it.
Yeah.
Because this car, we want to take it all over once it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
All right. We'll wait for your comments.
Yeah.
Okay.